Hey everyone, welcome to Bytegenics. This is our first video on Splunk. Whether you are just starting out with Splunk or you are brushing up your skills, this playlist gonna be a smooth ride. Let's dive right in. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to download and install Splunk Enterprise and even upload your first dataset. Okay, let's go to splunk.com. This opens the Splunk homepage. Click on this big Trials and Downloads button. Scroll down, we can see Splunk Enterprise. Click on Get My Free Trial. You will need to sign up for a free Splunk account if you don't already have one. In my case, I am just clicking on Login as I already have an account. After login, the download page will appear. Choose the right version of your system, Windows, Linux or Mac OS. In my case, I am going with Windows 64-bit installer. Click on Download Now. Yeah, it started. Let's choose the folder and save it. Here we can see the download has completed and we should check on this agreement. Click on next. Here we should give the username and password. Remember, these username and password we should use after the installation. So please note down this username and password. Here I am giving Bytegenics. Click on next and click on install. This will take a time. While it's installing, let me quickly explain what Splunk is all about. Well, think Splunk as like Splunk is your data detective. It takes logs, mission data, or pretty much any kind of raw data and helps you search, analyze, and visualize it. Whether you are monitoring a website, tracking server health, or diving into security events, Splunk makes it searchable and smart. Let's see more details about Splunk and its functionalities in later videos. Now the installation was completed. Let's check if everything is going well. Yeah, it's running on the host 8000. Generally, it will run on 8000 every time. Let's give the username and password that we have given at the time of installation. Yes, we can see the home page of Splunk. Now, let's see how to add some sample data into the Splunk. We can upload from the add data option in the settings on the top right, this one, or we can simply click on the add data option on home page. Here you can see the upload button where we can directly upload a file. Before that, let's download some sample data from here. Splunk directly gave link to download some sample data so that we can play with it. I already downloaded this tutorial.zip file. I am uploading that file. Click on select file. Select the tutorial data that you have downloaded. ignore this warning. The advantage is there is no need to unzip the file because Splunk is such advanced so that it can unzip itself and configure all the files in it. Click on next. Here you can see the source type and host. Let's keep source type automatic so that the Splunk will select source type automatically. And I'm going to change the host name. Let us say BGTUT. And let us create a new index. Let us name it test and save this. Yes, these keywords source type, host, index, these will be confusing in the beginning. But let us understand all of them in the coming tutorials. Click on review, click on submit. Here we can click on start searching so that we can see the data that we have uploaded. Yes. Here we can see all the data. These are the events that are in the files that we have uploaded as a zip file. Here you can see the source types that are automatically taken by the Splunk. Let us do some experiments with these data in the coming lectures. Thank you.